Alex left 20 minutes ago. He waited as long as he could, but his Uber to the airport was already there. He was really hoping you'd make it on time, just this once. His flight boards in an hour. I watched my husband's face crumble in real time. His hands were shaking as he ended the call. 20 years of friendship and their final goodbye was a missed connection. "Why didn't you remind me?" He turned on me, his voice breaking with rage and desperation. "You knew how important this was. You just sat there while I got ready. This is your fault." My fault? Marcus, when have I ever not reminded you? When have I not stressed myself sick trying to get you out the door on time? Emma's celebration, my work party, my sister's wedding. But suddenly when it's Alex, it's my responsibility to manage your time?